Hello, this is Chris with Finale Inventory, and I'm going to talk to you a bit about batch stock transfers. Batch stock transfers are a way in Finale to move a set of products from one stock area to another, to do them all by building a list of products that need to be moved, being able to then print out a pull sheet and instructions for the people that are going to do the move, and then be able to commit the entire move as a single unit, so it all happens together, and then receive that at a new location as a single atomic unit and track it all in one place. Let's get started. To start on the home page of Finale Inventory and go to the Stock Transfers section. Within Stock Transfers, you'll be able to look for the Add New Batch Stock Transfer button, and that'll create a record that we'll use to move our items, keep track of the items we want to move. We click that. Got a new move. We're going to have that go out. Let's suppose the estimated ship date is next week. The origin, we're going to be shipping products from our main location to a new facility a new warehouse we've just opened up. It's going to take us 2 days in transit, and it's going to be going to warehouse number 2. Let me save that right now. It's all saved up. And now it's ready to go. We're ready to start adding products to our transfer. So let's select the main warehouse, and we're going to select some products from the M101 magazine within Main. We're looking at our 4-inch shells, and initially you'll see that there is no way to edit the items, and that's because I need to go and drill down and look at the individual stock locations and then put in the quantities for magazine M101. Move 24 of these, 24 of these. We're moving these over to W2. Moving these to W2 as well, of course. So what I'm doing is I'm entering both the amount I need to move and the destination. Now let's go take a look at M102, and we're going to go all categories. Now, as you note, it might take a long time if you have to do a bunch of moves to turn down every single turn down to see the items you want to move. So I can just hit the plus here, and that will show me all of the particular inventory locations that I have available. And let me just go grab a few more out of M102. Let's move this entire group of 10, and move this entire group of 12. And then, as you note, it's required that I enter a magazine destination, so I'm just typing those in for W2. And now I can save that new one. And if I want to see just the items that I have in my transfer, let's just go back to all locations. I come over here to all quantities, and I say shipment greater than 0. That just shows me all the items where there's at least one item in the shipment. And see that I've got 12 here, 10 here, 24 here, 24 here, ready to go. And then it's all ready to go. So now to actually ship the shipment, what I need to do is come up here to ship shipment. And that will indicate and deduct from the current locations those quantity of items. And then you notice it comes up pulled up with the shipment date I'd estimated as the date it's going to actually ship. So hit ship shipment. And then let me also hit print pull sheet, so we can see the pull sheet that comes up that I can give to the team that's actually going to go do the work of pulling this items out. Broken down my magazine, the quantity that's going to go on the shipment, and the number of items remaining from the shipment. I can also, of course, print a bill of lading if I'm doing my own transport. Now when the items arrive at the new location, I can come up here to receive shipment, and then in one click, I note this has been 2 days later. The items were received on the estimated shipment date, the 14th of March, so I click Receive Shipment. And now the stock levels are incremented by the amount of items in that shipment at the new location. So that is the simplest way to create a big transfer of a number of items from one location to another inside Finale Inventory. Thanks for taking a couple of minutes to learn about batch stock transfer.